SERV stock analysis Wednesday and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether this thing is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Boom, it actually is SERV robotics. I'm actually looking for really that, but it says that I'm waiting for the rules to be met first, and guess what, that is still the case and the truth, and I would not be buying here unless that I see those double breaks. This is the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, and I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So even by looking at SERV right now, yeah, short term here, I believe I took it higher, but now we have more data. It's new times into the future. So where is the price heading next? If it doesn't give me this double break, then guess what? I'm not gonna buy. That's simple. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. More reviews or 5 stars. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.